Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by creating the actual WhatsApp link. This is the crucial first step. Use WA, me / followed by your full international number, no plus signs or zeros, so 15,551,234,567. Then add text equals and URL encode your preset message. That ensures spaces and special characters work. Once done, log into Linktree, click Add New Link, and prepare to paste the URL. Make sure the link title is clear so visitors. Now you add and configure the link inside Linktree. Paste the complete me URL into the link URL field, then write a short, action-focused title like Message on WhatsApp. You can toggle visibility, schedule the link, or enable analytics if you want tracking. This matters for measuring clicks. Also assign an icon or upload an image. Visuals increase trust and conversions. Make sure to save changes and preview your Linktree page to confirm the link appears where you expect it. Finish by testing across devices. Click the Linktree entry on desktop and on a phone to ensure WhatsApp opens correctly. If the chat doesn't open, double-check the number format and re-encode the message. Percent encoding fixes broken characters. Also verify Linktree visibility and that browser or ad blockers aren't blocking redirects. If mobile opens a web WhatsApp page instead of the app, ask users to install WhatsApp or set it as default. That usually resolves the most common issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.